What can you do with a Master of Legal Studies degree? If you're considering earning a Master of Legal Studies, MLS, then you undoubtedly have certain career goals in mind that you're hoping the degree will help you achieve. Perhaps you regularly interact with lawyers as part of your job and would like to engage with them more effectively. Maybe you want to move up the ranks at your current company and know that having a deeper understanding of how the law influences your industry is the key to getting there. Or perhaps you've always had an interest in the law, and you view earning an MLS as a way of cultivating that interest without committing to earning a Juris Doctor, JD. But you may also find yourself wondering, what exactly can I do with a legal studies degree? What kind of jobs do MLS graduates typically hold? Is a Master of Legal Studies the degree I should earn to reach those goals? To help you better understand whether or not earning a Master of Legal Studies degree is worth it, we've taken a closer look at what exactly an MLS is, how it differs from a JD, and some of the most common career paths that MLS graduates pursue after earning their degree. What is a Master of Legal Studies, MLS? Before diving into the specifics of what you can do with a Master of Legal Studies degree, it's important to understand what, exactly, it is and how the program differs from other law-related degrees. The Master of Legal Studies is a relatively new type of degree that was created for individuals who need working knowledge of the law, but don't intend on becoming practicing lawyers, says Dan Ehrman, director of Northeastern School of Law's online and hybrid programs. As a newer degree, it goes by a number of different names depending on the university offering it, including Master of Legal Studies, MLS, Master of Science of Law, MSL, Juris Master, JM, Master of Jurisprudence, MJ. Though the names differ, these programs are all built around the same basic curriculum, which is designed to impart working knowledge of the law without going into the level of technicality typically required to become an attorney. Master of Legal Studies, MLS, versus Juris Doctor, JD. If an individual is considering going to law school, the degree they're typically referring to is the Juris Doctor, or JD. Though a JD shares some similarities with an MLS. They are unique degrees, each of which sets graduates up for very different career paths. The main difference between a JD and MLS boils down to the student's motivation in earning the degree, Ehrman says. Master of Legal Studies programs are designed to grant students a working knowledge of the law that they can put to use in an industry or career that interacts with the law, but without going into the training required to become a practicing attorney. There are several factors to take into consideration when deciding between an MLS and a JD, as each degree tends to serve a different purpose. Individuals who regularly need to communicate with lawyers or navigate through the complicated world of legal regulations, but are not concerned with representing a client, are ideal MLS candidates. Individuals working in healthcare, startups, universities, nonprofits, financial services companies, like banks and lenders, the media, and large corporations are some of those most likely to benefit from an MLS, as are those in other heavily regulated industries. Master of Legal Studies programs are most often pursued by individuals who are currently in the workforce. As such, many MLS programs are designed to be earned part-time. Despite this fact, the degree can often be earned in 1 to 2 years, offering a relatively quick return on investment and pathway for career development.